Now we'll go for mirror command. So what is the mirror command? By hearing the name of mirror, we can understand that you will see a mirror face of a member. So if we need a mirror, if we need a mirror of a member, then I'll select a member here, then I'll go here mirror, or I'll skip that. I'll click here for mirror, then select object. So I'll select that object for mirror. Again, I'll select that object and I'll click enter. Then specify base point. So what will be your base point? Suppose I'll skip. I'll take a mirror here. I'll take a mirror here by using that ortho mode. Then again, I'll select that member and I'll go for mirror by clicking here, or by pressing short command AMI mirror. Then specify the first point of mirror line. So this is the first point of mirror line, and consider this should be the last or second point of mirror line. Then they have two options. It is source object. This is the source object. Do you want to delete it or no? So if you want to delete the source object, click here. Then see the previous one have been deleted, and here the new one is available here, right? Again, if you need to mirror of that object in that side, same, select that one, press MI, specify first line from here to here, and click no for not deleting the source object. Just see here we're seeing the mirror of that in that side. So this is the way to create a mirror line very easily.